The mixed voice is a relatively new concept. The mixed voice allows us to go from our chest voice all the way up to our head voice without a break, with smooth transition. It's a bridge. It's a bridge from short vocal cords to long vocal cords, from at rest to stretched vocal cords. So how do we create that stretch? That mix is every little bit of stretch in between. So when your vocal cords are shorter, they vibrate more slowly because they're thicker, right? And heavier. As you stretch them just a little bit, they're not quite as heavy or as thick, but you still can sound very much like you're in chest voice, but it isn't quite as difficult to do. So it taxes your voice less. This is the beauty of that mix. You stretch a little bit more, and maybe you can't really tell, is this head voice or is this chest voice? It's just a pure mixed sound. It's a little bit lighter, but it still has strength. Now stretch it a little bit more. Now your vocal cords are almost stretched out to head voice. It's a heady mix. This is a lighter sound, but it still doesn't have that full head voice sound that makes you sound maybe a little bit more traditional than you want to in pop or contemporary Christian music. Then you stretch all the rest of the way out, you're in full head voice, and you didn't hear the change. The beauty of this gradual transition is it can allow you to have the power of a belt, your mixed belt, without having the strain to the vocal cords. And as a result, you never have to do that and flip, because your vocal cords are stretching that whole distance. Now you have a completely fluid sound from the top to the bottom. In a minute, we'll do some exercises to help you develop that.